Hello everyone, welcome to INS Creations Ltd, your go-to place for creative design tips and tutorials. If you are passionate about graphic design or just starting out, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to design an eye-catchy social media post using Canva, a free and easy-to-use tool that makes professional design accessible to everyone. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to improve your design skill, this tutorial will help you to create stunning visuals in just few simple steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our latest content. Now let's dive into the Canva and start designing. After creating a page for a social media post, let's go to the element and let's take this rectangle shape, make it a thin and adjust it on the left corner of the page. Copy the rectangle shape, make another thin shape and adjust it behind the first shape. Let's change the color in gradient. Change the both shape color. Now make a two rectangle shape in same height and both of them are in gradient shade. Now go to the element again and search for a frame. Let's take this round frame. Select all of this and adjust it. Make this two rectangle shape corner round. Make two of these a oval shape kinda. Give a frame a border. Change the color of the border in white. Now go to the element and search for a world map. Take this world map and change the color in ash for now. Keep the transparency low and make it behind all the shape. Adjust it all over the page. Keep the transparency low and lock it. Now take a text box and type the text creative. Change the font style in cursive or calligraphy or a handwriting. Keep this font and take another text box, type the another text. Change the font style, make it a bold. Now let's change the font of the creative. Change the color of a marketing in orange. Now go to the element and search for a marketing agency picture. Take this picture, adjust it with the frame, and now go to the element. Let's take this round shape and adjust it behind the frame. Make the frame and the shape in center and middle alignment. Change the color shape in white and the border of the frame in gradient shade. Paste the dummy text under the agency. Give inverted comma both of the side of a line. Then take another text box, make the corner round, and take another text box, type learn more. Change the color of the shape, give the gradient we made before. Take a text box, type the web address under the learn more. Increase the font size. Now go to the element and search yellow gradient and take this gradient shape. Make it small and adjust it and flip it. Now take a text box and type about us. Take a text box, copy the text box and paste the dummy text. From the element, let's take this line and adjust it here. Both sides of the about us. Change the color in yellow. Make the line in the text in middle alignment. And from the elements, take a contract icon. Let's take this icon and change the color. Take a text box and type call and find out more. Make it a bold and take another text box and type the phone number. Increase the font size. Go to the learn more and give this shape a border. Lock the background and change the color in orangish yellow. Keep the transparency in 13. Now lock this and now go to the element and search for a logo. Here we are going to search a M logo. Take this logo and change the color. Take a text box and type the company name and adjust the name with the logo. Take a text box and type the subtitle or slogan. Change the gradient position for this. Adjust all the things. So here it is, a social media post for a marketing agency. If you need this kind of design or any other custom design you need, like a flyer design, brochure design, logo design, presentation design, pitch decks or magazine design, you can contact with us. Our contact details is attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.